Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is, what is today? March 17th. There you go. March 17th, 2020. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $5,361. Woohoo. Stay out of it for now. And I'll come back to Bitcoin later when we're done, right at the end. I want to talk a little bit about that. But going through it, LTC BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase is also a stay out of it situation on this OBV. I just want to get rid of this. There you go. Clear things up. LTC BTC, stay out of it. LTC USD at $34.31. Stay out of it. ETH BTC, stay out of it. Ethereum USD is at $116.78. Stay out of it. XTZ BTC, stay out of it. Tezos USD is at $1.39, and we're going to stay out of that one as well. Bitcoin Cash BTC, stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash USD is at $1.83. Stay out of it. Ethereum Classic BTC, stay out of it. Ethereum Classic USD, stay out of that one as well. XRP BTC, and it is a sell today. Boom. We're getting out of that. There you go. Lock it down, and we're going to go red with that. There you go. XRP BTC, let's look at that one. Yes, it is still a sell. EOS BTC, stay out of it. EOS USD is $1.98. Stay out of it. Dash BTC, stay out of it. Dash USD is at $45.83. Stay out of it. Stellar Lumens BTC, looking real weak. I'm talking really weak right here. I think it's safe to say you can get out of it. I'm not going to yet. I'm not going to get out of it yet, but I think you could. Technically, it's still a buy, but it looks weak. Okay. So stay in it, but if I'd be real tight stops or taking profit. Okay, Stellar Lumens USD is at 3 cents, 3.7. Stay out of it. ZEC BTC, stay out of it. OXT USD, stay out of it. Atom BTC, stay out of it. Atom USD, stay out of it. Link USD, stay out of it. Rep BTC, stay out of it. Rep USD at $7.20. Stay out of it. 0x BTC, stay out of it. 0x USD, stay out of it. Algo USD, we're getting out of that, staying out of that one. KNC BTC had a nice day, pushing up to the upside, but still not enough. Stay out of it. KNC USD at 46 cents. Nice push to the upside today, but again, not enough. We're staying out of it. Okay, let's jump into total market cap at $148 billion and going down. Total market cap too is $50 billion and going down. Bitcoin dominance is doing the old switcheroo. We're not even going to look at this for right now. It's in the Kumo cloud. It's switching back and forth. It's having trouble finding direction. And yeah, it's just, who knows? And look at same thing happening here with others. It's way down here, gapping up. It's better if we just clear the chart. Right, but overall, others market cap, others dominance is trading in a triangle for the most part. So look for it to find its way either up or down from here, and we'll see. But Bitcoin BTC USD on the 1 day. If you guys want to see something kind of cool, you can head on over to my it would be the Kick and Gravel YouTube channel, and there I have about 2 years worth of video on there. January 15th, I posted a video called Bitcoin the Way I See It. I had this as a number one target on a high, was 10,145. Now, we were over here somewhere. This was January 15th. We were here at that point in time. I had a number one target saying we could go up that high on the chart. It's kind of long and drawn out video, so if you don't want to go there, I get it. But I also had a low target of it going back down to this area eventually after capitulating, right? Capitulation. It would come down to 4,851. Yeah, 4,851 and 42 cents. Well, now we find ourselves with this problem, I guess, in the world with the thing that's going on with our government and people coughing. All right. This is what I think. I think there's not going to be much trading. Nobody's working. I think nobody's trading. And then we're going to have this big old sideways. Probably based on this candle here. Okay. Oh, this one right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight something here. I want you to see this. Okay. I think that the market could stall and just trade in this box. I think it's possible. I don't think that any long-term look at Bitcoin wants to go any lower than this. But I don't see it going up anytime soon either. And I could see it just stagnating right here, letting all these moving averages come down, like the 50 and the 20 and the 9 is right here. This 9, it wants to come on in here and look for everything, because everything's really far apart right now. Look for it to all get real tight, as it'd be tight like this. It's like moving through. Okay. You get it. Everything's going to roll in and converge on basically this line right here. And this point in time could be stretched out as far as, it could be a long time, right? If we got 2 months, we got March 15th, April, May. So maybe it'd be 2 months of sideways, right? And we'll call this, we'll look back on it and go and call it the Great Stagnation, okay? Where we just stagnated. The whole economy ground to a halt. The only thing we had was toilet paper and range trading. It was real sucky, right? And maybe that's what we'll call it. We'll call it the Great Sideways. Let's call it that. Yeah, there it is. The Great Sideways. Boom. Oh, there you go. Boom. That's what we'll call it. I think that's what we're going to do, honestly. And I think you're going to see every chart start to look like that. Now, we're going to get the Great Sideways, and we might get a bounce and then a back test, and then it take off again. It could retest this line again. Either way, it's all good. So, just wanted to let you guys know that that's kind of how I see things right now. I know I was talking earlier about extremely low targets, but if the government is coming in and propping up markets, it's possible, hear me out, conspiracy theory, it could possibly prop up this market as well. And just keep it there. Just stagnate it sideways. It's, no one's losing money. No one's making money. It's just kind of like a weird limbo time for next 2 months. And it's possible we get that. So I laid this hypothesis out there. It could be totally wrong. We could crash. We could bounce. Who knows? But I really don't think so. The rest of the market, when I look at traditional markets, I think, wow, this thing could probably stagnate sideways also. And if I don't want to get too far into the weeds, but if you look at traditional markets and look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, just for a second, if it'll ever load, come on, baby, give it to me. Come on, what the heck? Oh, slow internet here. Okay, so this is if I go into a monthly chart, this is my phase 3 line right there. And let's go like this and pull this out of here, remove. Okay, so you heard how the Fed is coming in and they've got your phase 1 line. This is now your phase 2 line. And then we've been working on phase 3 and this is the monthly chart, keep in mind, we were working on this line going all the way up here, right? But we were way up here. Now we needed to back test the phase 3 line, right? And it's possible, this is a monthly chart. This month could end, maybe with a bounce. And then next month we come back down and retest it and then maybe push in another high just as a consolidating area. And then the following month, right? So we've got, this is March, April, May. Yeah, May. In May, you might start seeing a little bit of a lift. And then June, it could start really, starting to take off out of here. Okay, so this is your phase 3. Now, originally on the Dow Jones, I was hoping and looking at a possible working on a phase 4. I thought originally that we were here, kind of like that. But when we broke through on the Dow Jones right here and it fell through, I was like, okay, we're going to go back to phase 3, and phase 4 is null. Take it out. So it's still not there. We're still working on phase 3. Pretty cool stuff. And I think that the economy is just going to kind of flatline right here. I don't think much trading is going to go on. If you go back into the daily chart, I think you're just going to see, again, a big old box right here, boom, of sideways trading, maybe for a month or 2 or 3, and then it'll start working its way back up. Now, I do think the president is correct. I think that it is going to come back with all vengeance to go to higher highs. Remember, we're not even in phase 4 yet, and phase 4 is insanity. Like, it's just going and going. Okay, and that's a lot of the way I see Bitcoin. That's the way I see Bitcoin also. We're at that bottom line of support on Bitcoin. Here it comes. Bueller. There it is. Okay, so we're back down here at this bottom line of support, just like in the Dow Jones. I think it's just going to trade sideways. All the traders are just going to like just fall asleep, or just going to be like, hey, you know what? I'll set my alarm for 2 months and I'll come back and see if this thing is alive. Okay, if it's just done anything other than trade sideways. And I think we're looking at range trading for a little bit until this whole economy pulls through and we come out the other end, and it'll be great. It'll be fine. We're going to say, hallelujah, this is awesome. And things are going to be great. Stock market's going to boom. You're going to jumpstart economies. There's going to be less taxes. There's going to be more money printing, giving more to the people. And I think people are going to say, hey, I like this. I really like this. This is the time to reinvest. All right. So all of us guys that are just holding cash for the next couple months, possibly, will jump back in. Okay. That's it for today, guys. That's all I got. God bless you. Hope your trades are going well. If you're trading at all and just sitting on the sidelines, that's cool too. Hold that cash and let's see what it does. Let's let the market make the first move. Don't try to get anxious to try to get a false start and offsides. They're going to call penalty. You're going to lose money. It's going to suck. Just let the market lead. Okay. On the trend trade, at least, let's let the market lead. All right. That's it for today, guys. God bless you. See ya tomorrow, and I'm out.